Into this month. All right, we're going to leave our monsters behind to move inside. This time, stage 50. Remain seated and hold on as we may see a bit of action in here. You can take a look around. Inside, we got a subway station set. We're actually heading in the bottom level of what is a 2-level sound stage. And right now, we have it dressed to look like San Francisco, but we could change that around for any production, any city in the world. Above us, we got a city street with office buildings and picture cars, and it's all inside the stage, which means we can control all the elements choreographic. In fact, we're setting up a camera test right now, so once again, remain seated and hold on. Okay, a little tremor. Oh no, is it over? No, it's not. Hold on.